Good morning students. Today we are going to do the revision of chapter 2 year to year. Last time I had made you the revision of chapter 1 going to school. I hope you all have seen that video properly and read all the MCQs very nicely. That will be the format of the MCQs you are going to get in your PA exam. That is just the format. It's not necessary that only out of those MCQs I will give you in the exam. You have to study the complete chapter. In the same way, same is the case with the chapter 2 year to year. So let's start the multiple choice questions. Our first question is, which of the following animal gives birth to young ones? So there are two types of animals. Number one, which lay the eggs, which gives the eggs, and out of the eggs, when the egg hatches, the young ones come out. Okay. The second type of animals are those animals which give the birth to a young one, to a baby. Okay. They don't lay the eggs, they directly give the birth to the young ones. So you have to choose the animal which gives the birth to young ones. So first option is parrot. So as you know that parrot is a what? Parrot is a bird. So birds lay the eggs. They don't give the birth to the young ones. Second one is the dove. Dove is a what? You have heard the bird's name, dove. This is a bird. So this also gives the lays the eggs. Third one is the dog. So you know that dog is a mammal. Okay. So mammals give the birth to the young ones. So the correct answer will be the dog. Dog is the animal which gives the birth to the young ones. Second one, out of which of the following whose ears are visible? So out of these animals, whose ears can you see properly? There are two types of animals. First animals are those whose ears are not visible. For example, the frog, the fish. The other type of animals are those animals whose ears are visible. For example, okay, my ears are also visible. In the same way, there are other animals also whose ears are visible. So let's see the options. Mouse. So you have you ever seen the ears of the mouse? So yes, I have seen the ears of the mouse. So mouse is the correct answer for this question. The ears of the mouse are visible. Second one is the ant. Ant you have seen, but their ears are not visible. The ears of the ant are not visible. Okay. Actually, they have the antenna, not the ears, to detect where they have to go. The third one is the lizard. So in the same way, the ears of the lizards are also not visible. So both of these are incorrect. The correct answer will be mouse. Third one, which of the following animal does not have hair on the skin? So there are two types of animals. First one are the animals who have the hair on the skin, and second type of animals are those animals which do not have the hair on the skin. So let's see the options. First one is the gorilla. So obviously gorilla has a lot of hair on the skin. But you have to choose the animal which does not have the hair on the skin. Just read the question properly. In the exam too, in the PA also, you have to read the question very properly. It may contain does or does not. So you have to pay attention to this not. So gorilla has the hair on the skin, it cannot be your answer. Second one is the furless rabbit. Fur means hair. Here the word fur means hair. Okay. So furless means or less means, what is the meaning of less? Less means without. So it means without hair. The rabbit which does not have hair on the skin. So this can be our answer. The third option is dog. So obviously you have seen dog. Dog also has a lot of hair on its skin. So our correct answer is furless rabbit. Okay. Furless means without hair. Fourth one, out of the following which animal lays eggs? Now you have to tell which animal lays eggs. In the earlier question in this one we had to tell which animal gives the birth to the young ones. But now in this one we have to tell which animal lays eggs. Okay. So the options are swan, bear and whale. Okay. So out of these, which do you think can lay the eggs? Let's come to the bear. Bear is a mammal. It it has hair on its skin. Also it gives the birth to the young ones and it doesn't lay the eggs. Whale, same is the case with the whale. Whale is also a mammal, it gives the birth to the young. So the correct option is swan. Swan is a bird, that is why it lays the eggs, and out of the eggs the young one comes out. Fifth one, which animal has ears like fans? Now you have to tell, this is the question out of your exercise. So you have to tell which of the animals has the ears like fans. So the correct answer is the elephant. Pigeon and mice. You cannot see the ears of the pigeon and mice. No. Okay. The ears of the pigeon are not visible, but the ears of the mice are visible, but its ears are very small. Okay. It doesn't. The ears are not like the fans. So elephant is the answer whose ears are like the fans. Sixth one, which of the following animals' ears are visible and gives birth to young ones? So two things you have been asked here, that the animal whose ears are visible as well as it gives the birth to the young ones. So let's see the options. Snake, first of all. First thing is that snake does not give the birth to the young one. It lays the eggs. Let's see. Snake gives the eggs. Okay. Also it doesn't have hair on its skin. Koala bear. Koala bear is a species of the bear family. It is of the bear family only. You must have seen in the pictures the cute koala bear, right? So koala bear is of the family of bear only. So bear has the hair on its skin. In the same way, koala bear also has the hair on its skin. Also its ears are visible, and the third thing is that it gives the birth to the young ones. So all the things are implemented in koala bear. So our right answer is koala bear. Third one was the fish. Okay. So in fish what happens? Fish gives the eggs. It lays the eggs. Also it doesn't have the hair on its skin. And the third thing is that its ears are not visible. So fish cannot be the correct answer. So our correct answer is koala bear. Now I have to tell you one important thing. In the chapter ear to ear, we have studied three types of things. First one is the ears. Second one is the hair on the skin. Hair on the skin. And third thing is that about the young ones. How they give the young ones. Okay. So the animal whose hair we cannot see, for example the frog and the fish, so whose ears we cannot see, it will not have the hair on the skin. Also it will lay the eggs. Okay, it will lay the eggs. So for example we have taken fish. Fish does not have hair on the skin. Its ears are not visible. And the third thing is that it does not give birth to the young ones. Birth to young ones. Instead of this, it lays the eggs. Lays eggs. So these type of things you have to keep in your mind. The animals which do not have the hair. The animal which does not have the hair on the skin, its ears are not visible. Also, it lays the eggs. On the other hand, the animals whose hair is visible, whose ears we can see, and which gives the birth to the young ones. That is, it gives the babies. Those animals will come in the other category. So these two type of things you have to keep in your mind. On the basis of these two things only, you will be able to solve all the MCQs. Okay. So study properly for your PA exams. You have to study the complete chapter, not only these MCQs. Okay. Thank you so much.